Every minute a fire burns, it can cost thousands of dollars in damages. But even worse, every minute also means a 20% chance of someone being seriously hurt or even killed. In emergencies, help can be far away. The average wait time for emergency services is 7 minutes, but in rural America, it can stretch to 14 minutes or even longer. That's a terrifying amount of time to wait while lives are on the line. We at Citadel North are husbands, friends, and veterans, and we dedicate our lives to protecting the community.
That's why we developed a solution that acts faster than ever before.
Introducing the Epsilon, a life-saving drone expertly designed and built by Citadel North. Always on site and ready to take action in seconds, the Epsilon embodies our commitment to innovation and safety.
Epsilon is equipped with cutting-edge technology, high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging, and real-time data transmission. Engineered to support first responders in the most challenging situations.
But Epsilon is just one element of our comprehensive strategy. At Citadel North, our operation centers are staffed with highly trained professionals who oversee the drones and can remotely pilot them from anywhere. This blend of cutting-edge technology and skilled operators is truly a game changer.
With Epsilon, we're building a future where people in crisis no longer have to wait. They'll know help is immediately there, faster than ever before.
We're ready to show the world the true potential of drones for public safety.
Because what matters most is protecting our families, our communities, and you.
So join us in making a difference. Visit citadelnorth.com to learn more and help us save lives.